Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
My name is Dua and we all are from grade 5. Today we are doing project which is called the effect of quantity of sugar on the release of carbon dioxide from yeast. Materials which are required for doing this project. Number 1, teaspoon. Number 2, rubber band. Number 3, balloons. Number 4, 4 transparent bottles of 1 liter. Number 5, marker. Number 6, yeast. Number 7, sugar. And the last one, number 8, is warm water. Procedure. Take 4 transparent plastic bottles and label them as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Add a teaspoon of yeast in each bottle. Add sugar in each bottle. Do not add sugar in the first bottle. In the second bottle, you have to put 1 tablespoon of sugar. In the third bottle, add 2 sugar spoons. In bottle 4, add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Number 4, add 3 teaspoons of sugar. Of hot water in each bottle. Immediately put a balloon at the mouth of each bottle and bind it strongly with rubber band. Put balloon immediately. Put the balloon immediately. Shake each bottle strongly to make its contents completely. Leave all the bottles in this condition for 20 minutes. These are the results. One bottle has no carbon dioxide in it because it has no sugar in it, and the second one has a little bit, and the third has more carbon dioxide than the second one, and the fourth one has more than all bottles. Thank you.